Alright guys, I'm going to work on my subfloor today. I got my pipe in. I'll show you a couple of pictures of what that looked like going in. I didn't videotape any of it. So I got my drain pipe in. It runs all the way around the foundation. I'll show you where it comes out. Pipe, gravel pipe, then filter fabric, then gravel, and then more filter fabric, and then dirt. So I got it backfilled on the front here, excuse me, and started working down the side. And today we're gonna get the subfloor down. It's a little rainy, but stuff I'm using, the glue that I'm using, is fine for ice and rain, wet applications. It's Advantech 3/4 inch tongue and groove. And I got my first sheet down here, and this is the glue that I'm using. It's Advantech Subfloor adhesive. It's kind of like a spray foam. You have to buy this gun, about 50 bucks. You can get them aftermarket on Amazon also. But it works with any type of like great stuff. You can use this for expanding foam, but this is glue, and so it goes a lot further than the tubes of caulk, like the PL type subfloor adhesive. So anyway, that's what it looks like when it comes out. It's kind of foamy, but it's polyurethane based, and it's supposed to work really well. So got a squeak free guarantee. The wood's got marks where your joists are and where you're supposed to put your screws or nails. I'm using screws, just a number 8 2-inch long wood screw. And it's really starting to rain again. So aggravating. Anyway, I got my 4-foot piece cut here, and we're going to get that up here, get it glued and screwed, and then we'll work our way down. Alright, I finally finished the subfloor installation. So it was 9 sheets total. Basically, I only had to make 3 cuts, and these sheets are like 47 7/8, and that includes the tongue and the groove. And so when you put them together, you end up with about 47.5 inches. So over my 24-foot span, which should have been 6 boards wide, I ended up about 1 inch short. So I took this old pressure treated plywood that I had, was 3/4 inch thick, and I just cut some strips and glued it and screwed it down. And it's pretty much the same thickness. I'll take the belt sander to it and just make sure, but just to make up the difference. So my stud wall, when my stud wall sits on here, it's got something to sit on. But this is catching the edge of the 2x10. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. We are ready to start framing some walls now. Alright, I did a little grade work today. Got that big mound of dirt moved out of here with my tractor and got it sloped off a little bit. Got a little more work to do, but for now I think it'll be fine. I got rid of all the junk I had parked back here. Big dirt piles are gone. You can see there where my drain pipe comes out, and that's pretty much at grade. So yeah, real happy with the way the floor turned out. Go get some studs next weekend, try to get some walls framed up. Let's take a step back and look at it here. Alright, I got everything graded out the way I wanted. I got some grass seed down and some hay spread over the grass seed. So I got it looking pretty good out here. And hopefully this weekend we'll get some wall framing done. Got my big mess cleaned up there. All right. Thanks again for watching Projects with Paul, and we'll see you next time.